Hey, what is up, guys? Quick video here. I want to show you some quick wheel swaps. Check it out. This is the new Honda Civic, orange color. So you remember this one came out in the Boulevard series, which I already did a wheel swap on that one. Put a video link to that up here. Did the front details here, as you can see, and the tail lights. Check it out. And fixed the demon here with real riders front detail here. There you go. It already had the tail lights, which I've already mentioned in a previous video, comparing to the Hellcat. So there it is, guys. Just a quick video. Been working a lot lately. Don't have a lot of time to make customs. Hope you like this video. Please give me a like. That helps a lot. And peace out.